Hi there, and welcome to this video brought to you by Comparewise. Comparewise is a Canadian website that compares the best online solutions, apps, and more in finance and tech in Canada. Today we're going to be talking about Shift. Do you find yourself when you're working constantly switching between platforms, not sure where your notifications are coming from, maybe rifling through windows and you're unable to search for things between your many chats and email accounts? Well, Shift could be the answer for you. They offer one place to link all of your accounts where you can easily see all of your notifications, switch between your accounts, and even search through the accounts to find what you need faster. Shift has been really helpful for me in the past few years of working because when I work on teams, they all seem to have different platforms and messaging apps that they use, maybe Teams, Slack, WhatsApp, different things, and I'd constantly have a lot of windows open where I'd have to search through them all on my one laptop screen, right? And even when notifications came in, I didn't know which app they were coming from, so I'd have to go and look through all of them to find what I needed. But with Shift, I can have one window open instead of all of those windows. So how you can begin is go to tryshift.com and download the app. When you download, it'll look like this. So what you'll do is get started. And you can add your primary account. So your primary account is going to be like your default email address, the one that you use most often. So I'll type mine in. And you can add a secondary email account. I'll add my Outlook. And you can change what color each one is, depending on how you want your screen to look. And agree to the terms and continue. It will help you to log in. So have your password handy for all of your email accounts. And you'll allow Shift access. And then I'll also add Slack because that's what I use most often. If you're on the basic plan for Shift, you'll be able to link 2 email accounts. So as you can see, I've linked Gmail and Outlook. And I'll also use one app. You're limited to one app on the free plan. I recommend the paid version because there you can add unlimited apps, unlimited mail accounts, and you can even add helpful extensions like Grammarly. So here, I'll sign into Slack. Yep, I'll sign up to my app. You can even import your passwords, so you really don't have to leave the Shift window to look for your passwords. So to start Slack, I'll select that. And you'll have to enter your team domain. So your team domain can be found in Slack by clicking this little drop down here. Copy that, and you go back into Shift. There, now my Slack will be linked. So when I click on there, I can see Slack is right here, and I can sign in to my workspace and my Slack. And they're all here on the left sidebar. If I want to reorder these accounts, I can simply drag them like that. And you can see that the view that you get when you look into your accounts is the same as if you were using your web browser. And I'll have all 3 accounts linked. Perfect. So now you can easily see where your notifications are coming from and switch between your workspaces with ease. You can even click up here in Search Shift to search all 3 accounts at once, and anything matching that search keyword will pop up. So you can save time. That would have been 3 different searches. If you have the paid version, you can also click here to add an application, and I would probably want to go into extensions and add things like Dropbox, Grammarly, and HubSpot, all the productivity that your team would normally use. Okay, and that's how to set up Shift. It really does save you time because you don't have to search through many different windows. It's all right here in one view. So when you open your laptop, all you need to do is log into Shift and you've got everything right there. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, this video was brought to you by Comparewise.ca. Check out our website and find more reviews on popular apps and platforms in Canada. Thank you.